Exciting times on the farm tonight. It is just about 11:30. Sorry, I had to look at the clock. And Beauty has had our first lambs on the farm. I just took a quick peek outside, went out with my flashlight, and I could see an extra couple sets of eyes. So we're gonna just go out and check, make sure there wasn't twins somewhere, or sorry, triplets. We know she's got two for sure, but we were a little concerned she was going to have triplets. So we're just going to go out and do a last minute late night check. This is also awesome because we had watched her as it was getting dark and we knew they were coming, but we kind of were like, oh, she's going to do it in the middle of the night. And I didn't want to lose sleep over this. So this is perfect. We're going to go check them out and then go to bed.
She is, and there's...
Looks like a girl and a boy?
Kind of looks like a girl and a boy, yeah. We'll do a closer inspection here, but we don't want to bug her too much.
You're such a good girl. Look at those cute black babies. It's okay, Beauty.
But one nice thing about the Icelandics is, especially once they've had a few,
that's a gray.
They do pretty
Look
good.
At his nose.
Yep, she's got the little. We'll do a better picture in the morning, but she's got the little little white lips. But yeah, I think that's a girl and that's a boy.
Good girl, Beauty.
So we're going to just take a little quick look around, make sure there isn't somebody else somewhere, but don't want to bug her too much. Beauty's pretty calm.
Oh no, don't come to me. You gotta go to Mama.
Okay, we'll leave her be.
So we're back in and all was well. Two cute little twins, a gray. The girl was a gray, right?
Looks like it. We'll have to take a closer look tomorrow.
Looks like a solid black boy, but Beauty did a fantastic job, as she always kind of has. So we'll take you out tomorrow for a little bit of closer look. But like we said, we didn't really want to disturb her too much tonight. Just kind of making sure that there wasn't a third one somewhere that had gotten misplaced and that everybody was up and well. We are above zero tonight. I think it's +5 Celsius, so it's not too bad.
And that's a lamb-proof pen.
Yeah, so yeah, shouldn't be any problems, but very exciting. Here it begins. Danny's meeting the little lambs. What do you think, Danny? I have a feeling she would not be friendly if there was not a fence there. So this morning we moved these guys into just a little bit of a, it's not a lambing pen, but a little pen for them to have some isolation from the big group for a little bit. We just wanted to make sure that it's actually two boys. And the one little boy was a little bit smaller and kind of looking like he might have had a bit of trouble overnight. So Danny's like, I want to see them. Oh, and Beauty's like, no, you don't. But you can see here, we'll get a closer up look at them after. But our pen is right on to where they are. And we're just going to keep them in here for a day or so. And make sure that everybody's getting fed well enough. Right, Beauty? Danny is like intent on this. But that's the little guy there. And he's just not quite as able as the other one. So we're just giving him some time. Make sure he's okay. But he is drinking. Just not as quick to run around. And when he gets out with the others, it can cause some problems. But Beauty's being a great mom. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah. I don't know if you can see. He's got a little bit of gray right here on his nose, which means in the end, he's going to be gray, not black. Yeah. Is Mama talking to you? I think she is. You better go find her. Better go find her. Oh, what a good mama. Hey, Beauty.